Thank you so much, Bhavna ma'am, for joining us. Let me introduce you. I feel so privileged to be able to introduce you today. Multifaceted and a gorgeous diva, yes, Miss Bhavna Pani. She is an actress, a model, a dancer, and has been a dancer since the age of 6. She is trained in Odissi and Kathak by the legends Kelucharan Mohapatra and Birju Maharaj ji. She has also learned contemporary modern dance from Terence Lewis, and she's trained in jazz and ballet. She has acted in many ad commercials and ad films in Bollywood. She's a very familiar face to us. One of her most notable roles was by director Priya Darshan's Malayalam comedy film called Vettam in 2004. She's a theatre personality who has performed several plays with Motle, which is Nasiruddin Shahji's production house, and QTP, which is Kwasar Thakur Pradamsi. The most exciting part of her profile is that she is a Mithibai alumnus, and I feel so proud to be in the same college as her. She has also done multiple films in Telugu, and she's been the lead dancer at Sahara's India's ambitious production Bharti for over 10 years. She has won Mahindra Excellence in Theatre Award for Best Supporting Actress in so many SOCs. Thank you so much, Mithibai and Mithiwood Festival, to be so accommodative and allowing us to be in touch with such industry professionals. Thank you so much, Bhavna ma'am. I'm sending you a request. All right, I have sent her a request. Let's see if she's able to accept it.
Hi.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. You'll have to put your camera down thoda sa because we can't see your face.
I think
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. I'm so happy to be here.
Thank you so much for coming here today. And I hope I didn't miss out on anything in your amazing, profile.
You guys have done such a good job of. I suddenly reminded, अच्छा मैंने ये किया ये भी किया.
No, so it has been an amazing, time trying to get to know you online. Now it's time to get to know you online, but in person, since we can't meet you offline. So, would you like to say something to Mithiwood before we get into these conversations?
Sorry, I lost you for a second there. What did you ask exactly?
Am I audible?
You're audible. I just lost
Okay.
you. My network is slightly weak. Huh? Tell me.
All right. No problem. I asked you if you wanted to say anything to our students at Mithiwood before we began the session.
No, because when I was in Mithibai, I know the Film Society is like a big deal, it's really a great place to be, and you meet so many lovely bonds and connections at the Film Society. I know so many friendships that developed of mine in that club, and we're friends until today, and they've been extremely enriching experiences for me, the people and the experiences. So you guys doing this. Really cherish this, and my best wishes are with you because बहुत मजा आएगा. I mean मजा तो आ ही रहा होगा तुम लोगों को, but trust me, these are memories that you're going to really not just enjoy and hold on to and remember it, recollect it with great fondness, but it's also going to be very enriching and very helpful. I feel it has been from my experience. So yeah, all the best. And this is a new initiative, I believe. Yeah.
Yeah. It started in 2019.
Can you tell me a little bit more about it? Like,
Sure. So we are trying to integrate a platform where we make information to students available through multiple industry professionals. So we have people right from actors, actresses to people who are into the, behind the camera scenes, for example, directors coming in, telling us more about the industry. We are trying to understand how we can be a part of the industry or how we can help the industry to grow and how everything goes on in general. So it's like a small community of, professionals who are trying and aspiring professionals just hanging out at this platform. So I think that is mainly what it's about.
that's great, because there's such weird notions about this industry in
Right.
public. तो ये बहुत जरूरी है that you know people get to talk and interact more with people from the industry and people who can really like tell कि exactly क्या होता है, you know, rather
जी
than
जी
out the bush and use the usual flowery language कि सब अच्छा है, or you know, like really just dish it out honestly. I feel it's very important. And
absolutely
kinship है with my guy, so I'm going to call a spade in front of you guys. So I hope,
right absolutely.
yeah.
So thank you so much once again for joining us. I can't thank you enough. And from the way that you're interacting, I understand that this session is going to be really useful in getting to know you as well as understanding the industry. So I think we should begin now with a few questions that we have for you.
What's your
Yes.
name? I didn't get.
Okay. My name is Hitarthi. Thank you so much for asking.
Siddharth. Yes. Okay.
So, a few typical questions. We want to know your background. So, how did you start your journey?
So I'm based in Bombay only. One very important thing that we are not, we take for granted.
Right.
Especially kids who live in Bombay, पहले तो be very grateful that you live in Bombay, that your parents decided to live in Bombay. आपका
Right.
आधा battle is won because of that. Okay? Then it's all up to you, like how hard you work or whatever. But anyway, answering your question first, what is my background? I'm Mumbai based. My parents, luckily, were based in Bombay. I studied in Utpal Sangam, then later on went to Mitibai. And my journey started in Mitibai only. मुझे तो at one point school में I wanted to be a scientist, and then later on I said dancer बन जाऊंगी, but at the most, you know, choreographer बन के back, I'll be behind the camera, but I didn't want to be an actress. But
Okay.
all my friends in Mitibai were actors and actresses. There was Shahid
Right.
Kapoor, there was Rishita Bhatt, there was Vikram Acharya, there was Harman Baweja, they were all my friends. हम सब एक group में थे. So then, you know,
Right.
there were singers also like Shraddha Pandit, Shweta Pandit. कौन थे अभी? I'm sure I'm not remembering all the names. There were many
Right.
more people, and they had all started like FIJC, SYJC में the junior college में they had started
जी.
working. So I was also like, if they can do it, then maybe even I can.
Yeah.
You know how it happens, right? So it
Yeah.
was just an accident. So my friend Shahid was doing a film, and he said, "Acha, you know, you should audition for this. Let's see how it goes." I auditioned, and that's the first thing I ever. That's oh, nice, cute comments. Sorry, I just got distracted.
No problem.
I was saying that yeah, so I just auditioned for it, and yeah, it just happened. Touch wood, it my very first attempt only. I got a film. I was the heroine of a proper Bollywood film. It was called Tere Liye. It had 6 newcomers. It was a
जी.
Z film. This गाना था Dil Dhapak, Dil Dhapak. I don't say this generally, but it is a very cute film, and it's on Z Cinema sometimes. So it's all very
Okay.
small
Can I
budget.
interrupt you for a bit? Can I interrupt you for a bit? I think your network has a few issues, so I couldn't hear the last two sentences. Could you please repeat that?
Sure. Should I also shift to 4G? Like, should I
Yeah, absolutely. Take your time, no issues.
let me
Whatever.
move
I mean,
to?
because I can see you, it's very pixelated. I can barely see you.
Okay, wait.
All right. So until Bhavna ma'am joins us back, I'm just going to fix my charger as well.
I'm back.
Technology is problematic. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome back. So sorry. Yes.
No problem.
Yes. So you were telling me something about Shahid sir doing a movie, and he suggested that you should also
How?
audition.
friends. Like we were all friends. We used to always go to each other's auditions, right? So
Right,
uh,
right.
he got his Pepsi ad because actually मेरे और किसी friend को audition पे जाना था, but Shahid went along and he got the part. So same way, like friends were like saying, "Acha, go there. They are testing for this or testing for that."
Yeah,
My unfortunately or fortunately, मेरे first audition में ही I got the film, which
that's
later,
great.
first I thought it was a huge blessing. Then I was like, no, maybe it's not. I should have taken some time. When I saw myself on screen, I was like, hey, Bhagwan. I should have, I
I
should have,
think that's every actor's peril, not liking your own performance. Actually, every performing artist, you always feel there is scope to do better.
yeah, I suppose that is the thing. But really, I genuinely thought, ki, nahi, yaar, I should have trained a little more. It's like, this is what I want to tell all of you, all the young kids. Ki it's not glamorous. It's like any other business. It's
Right.
it's it's going to take strategy. It's going to take a lot of hard work. It's going to take a lot of grueling hours of work. And I did not believe. I did not. I was like, "Oh, ho jayega. This is acting. I'm a dancer. What's the big deal? Let me just. I just have to do the best I can." No, there's so much work that goes behind the camera as an actor, huh? Not just cameraman will do his job and the director will do his job and all the HODs of all the departments do a fantastic job, but your department is acting and you got to be very good in it. Like no excuses. So yeah, it's highly pressurizing and demanding and enjoyable, but it's very enjoyable. I don't want to scare anyone. It's not like you will be like, "अरे ये तो मतलब छोड़ो नहीं करना है." नहीं. It's not that.
No.
It's a very fun process, but it's not all games. It's hard work.
Right.
So
Wow.
that was my
That
journey. I
is
did films and then I did lots of ads. मतलब मेरा उल्टा गया. I did films, then ads, then I did South films, then I went into theatre.
okay, okay. So that's great. I think that the way you have very honestly answered and given us an insight into both the aspects of the industry, where equal amount of practice of the art as well as integrating your own skills is important. I would like to know what are a few memorable instances from your journey, like those few small moments where you were like, "ये याद रखना चाहिए."
हाँ, I'll tell you. Very early on, I had done this film called Dil Vil Pyar Pyar और उसके बाद there were these award ceremonies. तो उसमें शाहरुख had this hi Christoph, my friend from Paris. um, so Shahrukh that year, Videocon Awards, Screen Awards was done by Shahrukh. Salman done the Sanskrit Awards and Sanskrit Stardust Awards, and Akshay ke saath, I had done the Filmfare Awards. I had done 3 performances with these 3 superstars in that year.
Right, right.
Yeah. And Danle Jale Ja with Shahrukh, the finale act. So एक गाना
Right,
के लिए
right.
वो called the heroine. So they took like a upcoming star, whatever, upcoming
Right.
talent. They asked me if I wanted to do. I was like, yeah, I'm sure. But rehearsing with these superstars, I realized again, I'm just emphasizing on the fact that it is so much hard work. Like, Shahrukh would rehearse for hours. Jabki it is his song. Even if he comes and does this one bit, everybody can go mad. But
Right,
no.
right.
Or Salman, he had 16 songs. He was doing a medley of his own career, okay?
Right.
Up till that point in time. And 16 songs, and Salman has a very fun way of a very different way of working. So he'll take it very easy till the last minute. But on the day, I was like, "Hey Bhagwan, kya hone wala hai yaar?" Salman doesn't know his choreography, but he's not rehearsed very seriously. I was a newcomer, right? So I was scared. But then on the day of the show, when I was walking to my vanity van, I do say some rehearsing in the sun. Then after 2 hours I came out, that person was still rehearsing. I went close and I saw it was Salman Khan who was rehearsing from 12 o'clock in the afternoon. The show was at 8:39 in the evening. He was rehearsing the whole time in the sun. And on stage, he was perfect.
Wow.
So I found this like Shah Rukh, who worked every day for many hours, was also
Right.
the end product is what matters. And like Akshay, he came on the last day, and like in the green room only we rehearsed because I had anyway a 2 minute bit with him. But it was amazing. No matter what your process is, the audience is going to see the end product, and that
Right, right, right.
fantastic.
Wow. I mean, that's some, again, like the, difference that you've drawn between that, you will never see the behind the scenes, you only see the show reel. So it's important to put effort into your art. That's great. So, what I personally want to know is that how have you integrated all your skills? We know that you're great at acting, you're great at dancing, you are also amazing in theater. So how have you taken the time in your, life to integrate all these skills and keep working on them? Like, how do you do that?
Uh, I think I just want to say hi to Marvin. My very dear friend is online. Hi, Marvin. Okay. How do I integrate everything? So I was very lucky that my parents put me in classical dance training at a very young age when I didn't want to dance or do anything serious. I just wanted to play with my friends in the evening,
Right,
ride a
right.
cycle. But they put me in Indian classical dance. So that had a lot to do with my love for discipline, my love for structure, my love for strategy and serious things like that. Sorry, you don't have to be that serious. That's me, okay?
Right.
And yeah, and that kind of I at a very young age I had this student-like spirit in me,
Approach.
which
Right, right.
so even today, if I have like my these 3 months, Jan, Feb, March is little khali, I'm thinking of taking off somewhere and doing a course, or so it's very important to keep upgrading yourself. Like how we have apps ka upgrade. If
Right, right.
we want to be to upgrade ourselves, and that can only come with a seeking spirit, with the spirit of being a student of life. So that has
Right.
really with me, yeah. That's all I can say. I don't know what is the big wisdom behind this, but mere liye, this works.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Good to know. I think all of us students should also invest in our, skills as soon as we have our vacations because we just got done with our semesters. And finally, we had the opportunity to get in touch with you. So, all right, time for a break. Then we're gonna stop studying for a while, invest in our skills.
That's really good. Yes, you must. You must. It's yeah. You got to do what you got to do. Like Nasir sir says, there are no bad actors. There are lazy actors, and that's one of my
Yeah,
favorite quote forever. It's changed my life. Nothing cannot be achieved with hard work and work.
right.
I want to take a second and say a big hi to all my friends and fans from Kerala. They are constantly. So, hi guys, thank you. I love you all.
That is so sweet. I love how you and your audience have this amazing, connect. Everybody is texting you, you are responding. That's great. Amazing interaction. I think that I think we can see a lot of theater in the interaction aspect over there.
I don't know, but I guess I can't help it, right? That's what I do.
That's great. No, we absolutely loving your vibe. So let me delve a little bit into your work. So I wanted to know that how was it working with Nasiruddin ji on Aurat Aurat Aurat?
Oh, it was a life-changing experience. When I keep harping about hard work, I learned it from him only. Until recently, I had not realized the importance of rehearsal. And whoever, all of you who want to get into theatre and not just films, but are also interested in theatre, I'd just like to say it's a great training ground, not just as an actor, as an artist in general, to understand the ethics, the professional ethics, to understand the rights and wrongs, and not rights and wrongs, that's the wrong thing to say, to understand professionalism, I think. And वो सब मुझे सर से सीखने मिला, नसीर सर से सीखने मिला, because he was, he remembers lines from his scripts which are 25 years old. Every line he remembers. And I was struggling to remember my current script. जिसका show है 3 महीने में, I was struggling to remember those lines. So, okay, he's anyway a blessed he's like a blessed soul, okay? He has photographic memory. But I realized that we have to work that hard. Even today, he wakes up and reads his script 5 times. He just says, "Tum apna script padho na," you know.
Right,
That's
right.
the least you can do, right? Just read it 5 times a day.
Absolutely. Wow.
There are simple hacks like this that we just got to follow and just do. The feeling and all that is a byproduct of the doing. You do it truthfully, everything will follow.
Wow. I think that is something that not everybody will tell you about this. So we are very glad to be able to, understand the nitty-gritties of this because, a lot of people think that theater hai, chal jata hai, but it's a lot of work. In fact, it's absolutely crazy amount of work that goes in theater because it's a direct interaction. So knowing that even Nasir sir reads his script 5 times, we should feel ashamed when we don't do our job of doing the basics. So
Yeah.
definitely, wow, that's something great that I have personally learned from what you said. So I will remember that Pani ma'am once told me that Nasir sir told her that you should read your script at least 5 times.
That's the least you can do, yeah, as an actor. Know your lines and be present and just say them. Baki, don't worry about, oh, how do I emote? How do I do this? How do I do that? You just say your lines and don't bump into the furniture. That's all you
Right?
got.
Wow. Amazing, amazing. So, trying to get to know you, I was stalking you on Instagram and I saw your post about Mother Courage and her children, which you did with the Birla Group. So, what was the process of getting into the character? Tell us more.
That was an interesting one because it's a play about war, which was written almost like 80 or 100, I don't even remember when it was written, by a German playwright, Brecht. Um, but it's so relevant with what the socio-political environment currently is in our country. It's very, very relevant. So it was, but my character was a very emotional character. It wasn't, in a Brecht play, what happens is the characters talk a lot. The words mean what they have to mean and much more. And you have to like listen to every line. But strangely, in a Brecht play, I was playing a mute girl. I was playing a girl who could not speak or hear. So I felt like, एक तो कुछ करने को है नहीं. But that was I think Brecht play में lines नहीं है. How is it? What am I going to do? But
Right, right.
but yeah, it's Quasar's greatness. I give like Quasar Thakur Padamse. He is my mentor again. And I feel like all of you who want to do theatre or aspire to be in or begin with theatre even, please go to THESPO. It is a youth festival, a theatre youth
Right,
festival.
right.
I'm sure most of you know about it. It's the best
Absolutely.
training ground. and it's done by QTP, Toral and Quasar, and my training also happened. Although by the time I met them, I was over 25, so I could not be a part of TESPO, but still got a lot of training. See, I'm a dancer, so I kind of understand movement theater better. But
Right, right.
Quasar is a man of words, text. He made me really like dissect words and text and um, understand text in a way that was so solid for me that now it's easy for me to. It's easier. No, I'm not saying it's easy. It's easier for me to work with words. First was tough for me. So yeah,
Okay then. So we did have a few Thespo open houses. I hope our audience tried to attend them, and they did have like places open for volunteering. So definitely for all those who want to get into theater, Thespo is where it starts. So thank you so much for letting us know about that. And from that, I think I would like to ask you that how did you get to the I would say personal branding bit of it, like where did Just Be repertory start, like what gave birth to it, how did you get into the presentation of self through your I don't know what to call it, your venture maybe, or your tell us
it's
more
a
about it.
company. Yeah.
Right, right.
Uh, yeah, people also asking me questions here. I don't know if I have to address that, but my favorite dance form is I don't know. Um, I like all dance forms. Yeah, contemporary, Odissi, Kathak, ballet. I like all of them. So yeah, it's tough. I can't choose. Sorry.
No, no, you can answer the questions with our audience. We have 15 minutes more until Instagram is like, chalo, abhi bas ho gaya. So you can answer as many questions as you like, no issues.
ठीक है, ठीक है. So to answer your question, just be repertory. Just be happened because I wanted to produce work also. I felt like our Indian theatre had very little movement theatre happening. And by movement
Right,
theatre, I mean dance productions. Either there were big
right,
dance productions like Beauty and the Beast and Aladdin and uh, what are the other Devdas? I was in Devdas. Or
right,
Dev,
right.
uh, uh, but like the experimental work was not happening. Work where you really dive in and really. So wanted to. Uh, I wanted to produce that kind of work and support artists because I know there are many talented people who are wanting to bring both theatre and the movement aspect of theatre together.
Right.
So my dream projects from childhood. So I have two very major dance influences, right? Which is Odissi and contemporary. I've been trained extensively in these two. So they are my like it's like asking a mother choose one child out of two. तो
Right, right.
मेरा मन था कि I want to bring these two together.
Hmm.
So nobody else was doing it, so I thought I'll have to do it. That's how. And I said if I have to do it, then I have to open a company. तो इस बहाने कंपनी खुल गया and बनते बनते चीजें बन गई and touchwood we were supposed to premiere the production on 5th of June this year, last year, but of course we couldn't. So it's postponed to October this year. Yay!
Oh, that's great. I
Yeah.
hope that the C word, coronavirus, doesn't take our opportunities away. So, looking forward to absolutely, looking at the premiere. And I hope like students from our college are asking for, your guidance and workshops. So, any day, whenever you have time, please let us know. Apart from
Definitely.
that, I think since we are already talking about this, tell us a little about your upcoming projects.
My upcoming projects, other than this production that I'm producing, I have two plays running currently with Nasir sir. One's called The Father, जिसके
Okay.
shows Pune में होने वाले हैं very soon, Pune and Bangalore. So I'll
Okay.
let you know, but you won't be able to attend. So uh,
Right.
then there's also Aurat 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 ke shows, which will happen in Prithvi that you guys can come and watch. Uh,
Absolutely. Yes.
and
For
I'm
sure.
I keep doing ads, yeah, on and off whenever I get a chance and I get an opportunity. I have to pay my bills, so can't.
No, no. I think that we have seen you in a lot of ad films, and we are always happy to see you because you're such a familiar face. And I didn't have enough time to introduce you in like more detail. But yeah, I think ad films have definitely given you that kind of visibility where everybody recognizes you for sure. Like you will always like people will know who you are, and that's great. I think.
It's very funny actually, people are like, hey, I think so, okay, I've seen you somewhere. And I'm like, yeah, you must have seen me on TV. Ha, correct, TV. Hey, what you come in? Like, if you've seen me, why you don't recognize then what I come in? So you're right, it's a very familiar face. Ads में ये हो जाता है, faces, but you can't pinpoint ki where they've
Right.
seen it. But you get like, we've seen you somewhere. So that line is my favorite. I think so, okay, I've seen you somewhere.
हाँ देखा देखे लग रहा आप थोड़े यार. Okay,
But
so
hopefully,
yeah,
yeah, in a couple of years, they should not be asking me. Or if they ask me, they should be able to answer that question also. कहाँ देखा है?
right. No, absolutely, without a doubt. I think that even the theater audience is changing a little bit, and the OTT platforms are coming up. So I hope that you have multiple projects where you are the center of attention. Not like you haven't already done such projects already, but I think OTT is here to give everybody a chance. So that is definitely an opportunity, I think.
Yeah. OTT is amazing, right? Like, OTT is what helped us get through 2020.
Right. Absolutely.
So I thank the TV.
And
It's a normal TV.
so,
I just watch OTT platform shows only.
okay, so you are also a Fire Stick user. Okay. But we should all just take up like sponsorships from Amazon at this point because it's going great.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So, okay, so then, like, since we've already addressed the lockdown, what was your mantra through the lockdown, and how do you manage your mental health as a artist, as a performing artist?
I do 3 hours of yoga.
Fair enough.
What else to do? No, but it's not easy. And lockdown or no lockdown, mental health for actors is again something. Yeah, it's a tough one.
Unfathomable, honestly. Like, we wouldn't know.
Yeah. It's a good question. I'm glad you brought that up. Mental health for everybody in 2020 has been an issue, but for actors, this has been an issue always.
Right.
Because, it's you have to every day wake up and be vulnerable. You have to be emotionally naked. You go out there for auditions all the time and get rejected every day.
Right.
What should you tell yourself when you wake up? How do you motivate yourself to wear makeup, to get out of bed and say, "Ki, today I'll wake up and I know I might I'll get rejected. It's okay, but I'll do anyway. I'll do it anyway." What is that? Where do you get that grit from?
Right.
Sorry, you're
Yeah, I
disappeared
think
for a
we
second.
lost connection, thoda sa. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, we are connected again. It's connecting slowly, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I can't give you wisdom like, अच्छा ये करने से mental health नहीं हो. But I can tell you what works for me. That student attitude, na, I feel like a beginner even today. A lot of my
Right.
Malayalam fans who tell me कि अरे 2005 में film release हुई थी, how you're looking the same, in fact you're looking younger. It's because I feel like 2005 में ही मैं अटक गई हूँ because I feel like I'm just a beginner, you know.
Okay, right.
I don't feel like, oh, I'm 18 years in the industry, I understand. Hey, hi Esteban, again another friend from Paris. So I don't feel, ego को balance में रखूं. That's all. If you feel like I am something or someone, and I'm that image of I am is going to be crushed if you make it for yourself. So just keep the I am
Right,
in check,
right,
because
right.
and 2020
Absolutely.
was very good to develop spirituality, and for all of us,
Right.
all our like the human race, ka consciousness on the whole, I think got upgraded thoda sa. Thank
For
God.
sure. Yes,
And
yes. Thank God. It was very, very required, I think, definitely. So yeah, you're very right that as an actor, sometimes you get rejected for things which are not your fault. It could be your height, it could be your skin tone, it could be anything that is not in control, but is the requirement of the director. But you still need to go out there in case they change their mind. So
yeah,
yes, rejections, and yes, ego or chappal bahar, absolutely theater rule and industry rule. You can't have an ego. So I think that what you have told us today, and of course, 3 hours of yoga is a lot of commitment. But
and
I
I
think
was
all of us
okay.
can.
I not 3 hours I don't do, but yeah, like 1 or 2. Beginning में तो
That's a
2 to 3,
lot.
and we couldn't step out at all. But abhi, हाँ, I don't do so much. But yeah,
No, no.
do some physical activity, keep the brain going.
Right, right.
Yeah, again, I learned from Nasir sir. Even if you don't have like these 3 months, like I said, now I don't. Of course, I'll get work, but I don't have like a shoot which is already confirmed, right?
Right,
So
right, right.
sit at home and wait or get depressed ki hi, I'm not getting work or anything. And Feldenkrais, there's another method. Thanks, Mavi. I'll talk about it later. Um, yeah, you just got to keep working on yourself and feel like a student of life, feel like a student of your art, of your craft. And please don't take rejections seriously. They mean nothing, yeah. Please, 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 please don't take rejections seriously. That's all.
Okay. So we have around 5-7 minutes more before the Instagram algorithm kicks us out. Unfortunately, very, very unfortunately, I'm enjoying this conversation with you so much. So you were talking about the Feldenkrais method, right? If you could tell us a little bit more about it.
Yeah, it's so if you follow Just Be Repertory on
Okay.
there's a lot of material on it. It's going to be tough for me to explain it in 5 minutes.
All right. No
Just read
problem.
the Feldenkrais method. It's something that I wish to popularize. I met this teacher, Michelle Casanovas, about 6, 7 years ago, in 2012, 8 years ago, and he kind of introduced me to it, and then I was like, yeah, it's meditation and dance. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like me putting it like that, but it's true. I go in a state of meditativeness when I just awareness of your movement, like when your finger moves, just the awareness that it's moving, that kind of stuff. So yeah,
Right, right. Okay. So a little bit like movement therapy along with a lot of consciousness and awareness of what's happening around. All right. So we will be sure to go to Just Be Repertory and check it out. Your friend Marvin suggests that you sing a song. I didn't know you sing.
keep quiet, Marvin. I'll beat you. No, I'm not saying
We know your secrets now. Okay, you are a singer too. Yes. Something, something.
He is
Little.
bullying me. Let him be. Don't. People are also asking what to say something about Vetam. So sweet. Yeah, this film though I did in 2005, but people still keep messaging. It's so cute every day. It's really heartwarming. So thank you guys, and I love you all, and keep let the love pouring in. That's all.
Yeah. It is so, so sweet that all of you are, trying to get in touch with ma'am, and ma'am is so sweet to read everything and respond. So, maybe one last question for our, budding industry professionals. What are the soft skills that a performing artist must work on before getting into the industry? What do you
Uh,
think? Communication, MS Office, anything, whatever you think.
Excel sheets. Make your bill on
Exactly.
time. If you don't make your
Yes,
bill on time,
invoice.
you're not going to get money.
Absolutely.
That is the first requirement. Learn to make your bills.
Yes, yes. True, true,
No,
true.
jokes apart. Of course, there are things like voice. Voice is very essential, right? Because पहले dubbing हो जाती थी. अब dubbing नहीं होता. They're all sing sound films that get done. So I mean होता है dubbing अभी भी, but very less. So voice is a big one, huh? Work on your voice, your body language. Definitely learn some kind of movement. It just opens you up, you know. I see
Right,
the
right.
difference when I see between people who have learned some kind of movement and people who haven't. This,
Right, right. Right, right, right. Definitely. And what about presentation? Like, how do you present yourself? Like, what is that one thing? So, just being present gives you a lot of recognition, right? If you're a well known face, just by being there, you might get picked up for something. So, how should you present yourself when, you're outside?
just be yourself because confidence is what's going to make you go far, according to me. Huh? Again, I'm not an expert on this, but confidence is what has worked for me, and I feel only confident when I'm authentic. If I'm trying to be
Right,
someone, I wear makeup because I like to wear makeup, not because I want
right.
to look.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, so I feel like don't really do what your gut says, not do that.
Hmm.
And there are no rules really. Some of our superstars have broken all laws, right? There is no rule to make it.
Right, right.
I
Okay,
know
okay.
actresses who don't wear any makeup, who wear any jhabba clothes, and still are super like make it. You know, they're so cool.
Right, right.
There are people who are like working so hard. So what is the like? How do you present yourself? I don't know, but of late I've realized one thing that you have to make your brand apparently now. वो मुझे नहीं
Yeah.
आता. So I'm not the best person to ask.
Right, 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 right. Personal branding is the new in thing, but I definitely think that it's important. And ma'am, for you, I don't think you need to build it. It's already there. We see that, this in you when we talk to you. When we think about you, you are already a brand, I think. But for others, that we are still coming up, so maybe we should work on personal branding, I think.
Yeah, yeah. Please give me some guidelines. Like we'll talk after the call. Give me some lessons in how to do this. मुझे नहीं आता.
Absolutely. I'm going to catch you on, at the backstage for your next performance at Prithvi. I'll make sure I'm there and get in touch with you regarding the same.
Definitely looking forward.
Your fans want you to say something in Malayali.
I don't understand. I can't speak. I don't understand also. So people think I did a whole film. How we do this is sorry, I was getting a call.
No problem.
How we do this is there are two ways. One, you can just mug up something and you say any lines, and they handle it in. But my director Priyadarshan is very strict, right? And he was like, "No, you have to learn the perfect lines." So I would really like sit till late at night and then wake up at 4 o'clock, get ready. And so it was very hard work. It was like being in school, but that hard work paid off, right?
Of
2020,
course.
still people remember the film.
Clearly. Absolutely.
Sorry, I'm sounding so pompous, but yeah, it's true.
No, no, no.
Um,
It's your hard work. There is no pompousness in that. I think it's well deserved, like, whatever
thank
it
you.
is.
So yeah, it's tough, but then they dub. But if your lips sound not moving correctly, then what will they dub?
Right, right. See, again, these are a few technicalities that we might not know. Again, so when you told us that there is no extensive dubbing anymore, I was also a bit surprised to know that okay, that the filming sets have changed now. They are more accommodative of voice and everything. That's great. So we do have a little more time. What I wanted to ask you is, would you like to join the live again? Would you have the time to sit with us for a little while more if the Instagram algorithm kicks us out? If all right. We understand you have a tight schedule. Not an issue at all.
Yeah, actually, I have, sorry, I promised some, I have another commitment.
No issue, no issue. All
My
right, no problem.
Shraddha Pandit is here. She's also a Mitibaite. She's a very famous Bollywood singer, playback singer.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello to all of Pani ma'am's friends. It's great to, see all of you guys supporting her so well. Hello, Shraddha ma'am. This is so adorable. Like looking at this online community supporting each other and you being so inclusive and
Yeah,
interactive.
so cool. Two of my best
All
friends
right,
are.
then. So I guess you already have something to attend to. I think we've had an amazing life so far, and I really, really hope we run in someday offline. I will definitely plan a run in now that we've already been in
Yeah,
conversation.
do that, do
And
that.
let's hope that we meet you offline at Mithibai and you get to hang out at your college once again.
Yeah, if like this was happening offline, I would have chatted a lot longer. You know that, right? But
Yeah,
this
absolutely.
online now, I get exhausted, yeah, after a while.
Right.
Really.
And keeping track of time is really difficult. Like, I don't even know it's been already, 45, 47 minutes. And
Yeah,
see,
it's
that's
just
that's
fast,
good.
right? Yeah,
Ah, yeah, it's just like I started the live a few minutes ago. Again,
exactly.
I extend my heartfelt gratitude to you. It has been an amazing conversation. I feel very humbled to be in your presence, and I hope that whatever insights you have given us today, we take them forward, find opportunities to learn, and keep being students of life and students of art and invest in ourselves. Thank you
Yes,
so much, Karna ma'am, for being with us today. Thank you so much,
yes,
Mitty Wood Film Festival and Mitty Bai, for giving us such great alumnus and for you to be so inclusive of us and helping us out with such things. Thank you
yes.
so much.
I really my heartfelt support with Mitibai and its students all. So Nativewood Film Festival, all the best, and
Thank you.
yeah, rock it.
Thank you. Hope to see you online. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.